to make $1,000 or more a month from home, even if you sleep 10 hours a day. Imagine a world where you could earn $1,000 a month without even leaving your house. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But what if I told you that this could be a reality, even if you sleep 10 hours a day? Intrigued? In this video, we're going to unpack a roadmap that could take you to that destination, revealing actionable steps to build a successful home-based venture. We'll delve into strategies, tools, and key decisions that could elevate your earning potential like never before. Stay tuned, because this isn't just about making money, it's about creating a lifestyle of financial freedom and flexibility. Step 1. Identify your marketable skills. In our journey to create a revenue stream of $1,000 or more per month from the comfort of our home, the first step is identifying your marketable skills. Marketable skills are abilities or knowledge you possess that have value in the marketplace. Maybe you're fluent in multiple languages and could offer translation services. Or perhaps you're adept at graphic design and could help businesses improve their branding. Look at your past work experiences, hobbies, interests, or even subjects you excelled in during school. The more you align your work from home venture with your natural abilities, the better your chances at success. It's important to not only identify your skills, but also understand how they translate into specific tasks that can be done remotely. For example, if you're skilled in writing, you could offer services, content creation, proofreading, or ghostwriting. If you're a math whiz, you might consider remote tutoring. The aim here is to provide a service or product that meets a specific need or solves a problem. To understand the market value of your skills, you can research online platforms like Upwork or Freelancer, or even job boards like LinkedIn, to see what clients are looking for and what they're willing to pay for those services. Step 2. Create a business plan. The next step involves developing a detailed business plan. This should outline your business model, target market, marketing strategy, pricing structure, and financial projections. A good business plan serves as a roadmap, guiding your decisions and helping you stay focused on your end goal. It also helps you anticipate possible challenges and prepare for them in advance. When developing your business plan, be specific and realistic. If you're offering tutoring services, for instance, you need to identify your target students, how you'll reach them, what subjects you'll tutor, and how much you'll charge per session. You'll also need to estimate your monthly expenses, including any necessary software subscriptions, internet costs, and materials. This helps ensure you're pricing your services appropriately to cover your costs and still make a profit. Consider different pricing models, hourly rates, project-based fees, or value-based pricing, depending on what's customary in your industry and what fits your business model best. Step 3. Establish your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is a critical step in your journey to making $1,000 or more a month from home. This involves creating a professional website and maintaining active profiles on relevant social media platforms. Your website serves as your digital storefront, showcasing your services or products, your portfolio, testimonials, and providing potential clients with a way to contact you. In building your website, focus on clean design and easy navigation. Highlight your services clearly and include a portfolio if relevant. This shows potential clients the quality of your work and builds trust. If you're not web savvy, there are many user-friendly platforms like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress that make creating a professional-looking website straightforward. As for social media, choose platforms that are popular with your target market and where your skills or products will be most appreciated. For example, a graphic designer might prioritize Instagram, while a virtual assistant could find more prospects on LinkedIn. Step 4. Market your services. Once you've established your online presence, it's time to start marketing your services. Marketing is essentially about communicating the value of your product or service to your potential customers. Your marketing strategy could involve social media promotion, content through a blog, SEO, search engine optimization for organic traffic, email marketing, and possibly even paid advertising. Be consistent and patient with your marketing effort. It takes time to build an audience and start generating leads. Create a content calendar to keep your marketing efforts on track and ensure you're regularly producing new content. The more you market, the more visibility you get, and the higher your chances of attracting clients. Keep refining your strategy based on feedback and analytics to ensure you're spending time and resources on the most effective methods. Step 5. Deliver high-quality work. Delivering high-quality work is vital to maintaining and growing your business. Satisfied clients are more likely to hire you again, refer you to others, and leave positive reviews, which can significantly boost your reputation and attract more business. High-quality work involves not only the final product or service, but also your communication, timeliness, and professionalism throughout the process. Set clear expectations with your clients at the outset regarding deliverables, timelines, and pricing. Be responsive to their inquiries and keep them updated on your progress. aim to exceed their expectations where possible. The higher the quality of your work and service, the more value you provide, and the more you can justify charging premium rates. Remember, building a successful work-from-home business isn't just about making money, it's about providing value and building strong relationships with your clients. Step 6. Diversify your income streams. Once you've established your primary service or product and started generating a steady income, consider diversifying your income streams. This could involve offering additional related services, creating and selling digital products, or even making passive income from affiliate marketing or ad revenue on a blog or YouTube channel. Diversifying your income not only increases your earning potential, but also provides a safety net. As you're not relying solely on one source of income, it enables you to make money from different avenues, even when you're sleeping. For example, as a freelance writer, you could diversify by offering editing services, creating and selling an ebook on writing tips, or starting a writing blog and earning from ad revenue. Step 7. Automate and outsource. As your business grows, you might find yourself spending a lot of time on administrative tasks like invoicing, scheduling, and customer service, which can take away from the time you have to actually do your money-making work. This is where automation and outsourcing come in. Look for tasks in your business that are repetitive and time-consuming, but not necessarily revenue-generating. Could these be automated with software? For example, scheduling apps like Calendly can automate your booking process, and accounting software like QuickBooks can streamline your invoicing. Alternatively, could you outsource these tasks to a virtual assistant? By freeing up more of your time, you can focus on high-value tasks that grow your business and boost your income. Step 8. Continuously learn and improve. The digital landscape is ever-evolving, and so are the needs and preferences of consumers. To stay competitive and keep growing your income, it's crucial to continuously learn and improve. This could involve taking online courses to enhance your skills, attending webinars or conferences in your industry, or simply staying informed about trends and best practices. Continual learning helps you offer up-to-date services or products, improve your business operations, and provide better customer service. It also helps you innovate and adapt your business as needed. By staying on top of industry trends and continuously enhancing your skills and knowledge, you position yourself as an expert in your field, which can help attract higher-paying clients or customers. Step 9. Network and collaborate. Networking is a powerful tool for growing your business. By connecting with other professionals in your field or related fields, you can learn from their experiences, get advice, find collaboration opportunities, and even gain referrals. Networking can happen both online, through social media, online communities, and professional networking sites like LinkedIn, and offline at industry events, meetups, or local business groups. Collaborations can also boost your business by giving you access to a wider audience and adding value to your clients. For example, if you're a web designer, you might collaborate with a copywriter to offer a complete website package. Collaborations can be mutually beneficial, helping both parties grow their businesses and reach their income goals. Step 10. Track your progress and adjust as necessary. Lastly, but importantly, regularly track your progress and adjust your strategies as necessary. Set specific, measurable goals for your business. For example, reaching $1,000 in monthly income within 6 months, and regularly review your progress towards these goals. By tracking your progress, you'll get a clear picture of what's working and what isn't, and you can adjust your strategies accordingly. Maybe you need to raise your rates, market more aggressively, or offer a new service. Regular reviews help ensure you're on the right track to reaching your income goal and give you a chance to celebrate your achievements along the way. Remember, building a successful work-from-home business doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, effort, and perseverance. But by following these steps, continuously learning and adapting, and delivering high-quality work, you can create a sustainable business that not only brings in $1,000 or more per month, but also gives you the freedom and satisfaction of working from home. Good luck!